Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tisai here, and this video is not really going to be a rant but maybe a little bit of a rant. I'm going to be talking about this unit on my head, and we're going to go into the detail of how I got to this point. Just stick around and you shall see how it goes. Starting off with showing you the cap construction. There's one at the middle where the bang, I guess, starts, and just adjustable straps. I don't think there's any more combs. So yeah, y'all, I had to wash this unit because it had the most ridiculous chemical smell, so I'm just using some regular shampoo and conditioner. This is what the hair looks like after washing it and me trying to straighten it up, but I don't have a flat iron, so I'm gonna try to get creative. Getting young Joan Jett vibes. I love rock and roll. This hair is shedding like crazy, and it's coming out like this. But I do like my makeup. It's one thing. The hair not giving me any life at all. I don't like it. I don't know how to feel. Paid $500. It's a human hair unit. It was on sale, so that means it's more than this. It's 10 inches in length. Let me just turn around. It's very thin. It sheds a lot. I purchased it from a local wig company called Aziza Enterprises. I'll leave the link below so you can check them out. This is the first and last unit I'll be buying from them, to be very honest. I rather prefer either a very good synthetic unit, or I will purchase it directly from a hair company that makes human hair. As it stands, this is a no for me.
Several days later.
Alright, so this is me attempting with this wig again. Alright, so what you would have seen me do before was try to straighten it out. I do have a flat iron, so that's probably what I needed. I probably needed a flat iron. Nonetheless, I tried again. So I said, you know what? It was giving me a kind of wavy vibe anyway, so I curled her and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna try and style her. And while I'm styling, I'll just give you my final thoughts on this wig. Be right back. Sis, what vibe are you getting from this? The sun will come out tomorrow. Size. Okay. So So this is the final product, cooled. Cute for someone, like I said before, but not for me. Not for me. This. If I want to look like an auntie, I'll put on this wig. Now, why would I want to do that? All right. So there's some kind of weird hump over here. They're not making any sense to me at all. I tried to switch it up all how, and it just have this. It's very strange, right? I didn't get much shedding this time, but when I was curling her, she shed a lot. I don't mind the little strands of hair. That is normal for wigs, synthetic or human. That's normal, right? But this was supposed to be, and I will insert a clip of a picture how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to be a nice sleek bob, right? That bob wasn't working for me. Like I said before, I don't have a flat iron, so that is probably what I needed to get the look that I wanted. And this is my final thought on this. If I want a proper human hair unit, I prefer going forward to just order online from legitimate hair places that I know I will get a good proper density, fullness, everything that I'm looking for. On their page, they claim that the hair is 150 density, but it can't be. It cannot be. The hair is so thin. It's only looking like if you have a little body now, only because it have curls in it as opposed to it being straight, right? The ends of this hair was very, very thin and stringy, right? It seems like it will fit most heads. The pros, obviously, it's a put on and go, but not really. You have to style it because it's a human hair unit. You have to style it. You have to either curl it like I did, or you have to press it out, and you have to style it. It wouldn't be ready to wear. The only plus is you don't have to lay it down and you don't have to glue it or anything like that. No lace to worry about or anything like that. But honestly, human hair unit's nice and everything, you know. But you see the drama with styling and stuff, I want a ready to go style immediately. That's why I always prefer synthetic units. That's on the price. Cannot beat it back. And then my style of wearing wigs is a one wear, just for an event, and then most times I rock my natural hair. So it's just to switch up my look and for that evening or that night or that day, and I good. I don't want wigs for no whole 3 weeks, 4 weeks or nothing like that. So give me my little synthetic unit and I good there, you know. But I did want to try. They were on sale. It was $500. Normally it's like $580 for this length because that's how much I'm seeing the prices now. So like I said before, and I'll say it again, I'm done. I'm not buying any human hair units from local providers. You all let me know your experiences. If you have any experience, let me know how you feel about that. Let me just show the back before I go. So this is what the back is looking like. And I even turn it all the way around. Just, I'm sure you can see it. You can see it. I still don't like it. I will not wear this to go anywhere. This is not my. It's not my style. It is what it is. To be honest, she looks better as a curly unit than a straight one. That's my honest opinion, but it's just not my style. I'm pretty sure it will look cute on someone else. This is it. That's my thoughts on it. Again, thank you so much for joining me. It was a pleasure having you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.